Welcome to my That Muffin Art channel, a simple technique to create a successful drawing. Choose an object or scene that can be represented with minimal detail, such as a tree, a simple landscape, an animal outline, or a face. This reduces the need for excessive lines. Before drawing, mentally break down the subject into essential parts that can be drawn in fewer strokes. Think about what features are the most important to include. Concentrate on drawing the basic contours of the object. The outline of the subject usually captures most of the necessary detail. For example, for a tree, focus on a trunk and main branches. Instead of drawing very detailed, use lines that suggest from the structure. For example, a few lines can suggest folds in cloth or a curve of a face. Varying the thickness of your lines adds depth and thickness lines can suggest shadows or important parts, while thinner lines can indicate delicate or distant elements. Don't try to fill every space. Well placed lines can imply parts of the drawing, allowing the viewer's imagination to complete the image. Try to group lines into sets of three where each set represents a part of the subject. This keeps the lines count low and the design blends. Divide the subject into different parts and design a specific number of lines to each. For instance, for a face for a tree. Thanks for watching this video.